Hello everyone, this is Ailey Merch, and in this video I will present to you one of the projects that I did also back in times. I keep keeping up to show you everything that I think worth seeing and quite uniquely differently done. So I'm collecting all of them into one collection of my videos. So here is Karpathos Dream. So in this case I will do for this project the logo, and I will do quick brand guidelines, not really guidelines, but some style direction just for myself to build a website. And basically, I will not be coding on this one. This client only needed my design. And here we'll see, this one will be quite quick, I think. Let me see if I have anything as a cover. Yeah, so I'm just using cover here. Logo. And yeah, also really quickly, I think that was about the same time as I did the previous one, Catalyst, the integrative health project. So the logo was the same time kind of symmetrical. I do like symmetrical radial, but here is it's a Karpathos Dream. It's a Greek project, so they do kind of organic and respectful kind of products. That's the idea, local. So, and they needed some landing page for the beginning and also logo type. So I ended up kind of playing and thought about the north as a compass. It felt like it's a compass, it's Mediterranean, and I felt play with different kind of logo type direction, but this one ended up selected, so it became one of those. And really beautiful. Again, kind of speaks even for Greek. There was also idea to use it. Actually could, but I decided not to. Ended up with something like that. Different photography. I already was exploring different photos and using them. By the way, this is really beautiful. This one was not used, but I will continue. I would try to use this one. And really beautiful, I must say. This is really, I would love to, again, also, as I like to say, it would be beautiful to continue evolving brands like that into further evolving value in a market, in a business. But again, let's see. Hopefully that will evolve well in time-wise. So let's go to the process really quickly. This one will be not that much. So they also, one point with this project was to understand the sitemap. Communicating with client, organizing all this information, how everything interconnected. Was a lot of stuff. Again, sitemap that I was organizing. Again, it will be just landing page for the beginning, but I needed to structure it correctly. And then I went with the wireframes. Again, at the time, same as the previous project, I was still doing this breakdown into every responsive look and feel. And I do recommend to do that, especially when you're beginning. In my case, 9 years expertise, I already can predict here and there, and I have my systems, my structures that I have within my kitchen, so to say, serving me well. So I'm quick. But here, if you kind of in the beginning years, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, I would recommend to go and play with responsiveness for your mind to learn, for your skill to be obtained in order to deliver right results without any troubles. So anyway, structure, I will not go deeper. You can check many projects that I present. It's always same. I always wireframes is to just shortly to mention, we don't apply any visuals in wireframes phase. It's important because we're paying attention to the hierarchy, structure, flow, content that needs to be approved. So we make right judgment, objective judgment. Visuals can confuse and make subjective judgment with objective evaluation here. So with that being approved, we can apply to the skeleton visuals that based on the branding that we have developed. There's a lot of content and some photography, some structures, assets I'm collecting. And then also, let's see. So, okay, there'll be landing page. And interesting, some references. I had some references for them to show. It was also quite a process to indicate. It was, to nail it was really a challenge here and there. And then we'll see the visuals. And here, I will be showing in the Figma inside of the designer, the preview presentation instead of the coded version. But you'll see this beautiful, well-organized website. And if, for example, if I'll be coding, the idea was that when I scroll, this text have to scroll together with us. But because this design is static, I was not really involved in investing myself into simulating anything. For coding, it needs to be done that way. So here you go, some kind of references of placeholders of organic, proper local products from Greece or around the world. I don't know how they decided to go about the business, but really beautiful, photo heavy, but natural photography, quality photography was the key. And then we see a lot of responsiveness. And I didn't already went with the landing mobile device or portrait smallest, it's kind of already was clear for me, and I just kept those as the references. Let's go just to explore a little bit. So here, let me go. So when you stay long enough, it should give this pop-up that connect with us. And that was also something for me. I wanted to present really beautiful logo, and the indicator, and you see even the button with these kind of Greek elements, and the font is really good. The boldness is really good. The roundness also. This should indicate that you can scroll. Oh, cool! I just that's the cookies also. Cookies notice. I just did a shortcut apparently. This, if you click this button, it's a shortcut to see how cookies look like. I do these things when I don't code, because I want those who will code have a proper on-brand professional look and feel achieved. So they're supposed to be playing a video in the background. What's up with this logo? Okay, the idea with also shortcut was to show how the menu look like. So I'm just clicking here to show you how the menu look like. For the beginning is kind of menu indicator. So I just gave them that references because they're supposed to be coding without me. This is the indicator of menu. Beautiful font, beautiful photography, videography, really beautifully done. Really, I'm happy actually to register this into my collection. I like also to observe works that I did in the past. It reminds me how great stuff was done by me in the past. And I would love to recreate, repeat, inspire, and build them new. I can use these references for other projects that I'll be working upon. Let's say this, the sizing, the distancing between letters, the hierarchy and sizing between them, and really elegant, really beautiful. Photography and beautiful text and button, hover effect, color code. Here also local, read more. This is also was really interesting how it looks like when you hover over. Pleasant to play with, so to say. With us, you will. And then this review projects, collaboration support. So here, the idea to show different projects. And again, you can see interesting, beautifully indicated iconography. And this text supposed to kind of, if I would be coding, I would just make it sticky. It will follow us until here. This is free featured kind of projects. Also numerology. Really interesting, unique, I must say. And well done. Our people get to know us, join our community. About everyone. This is, I think, one of the clients. And these just placeholders. And some products to see, view product, our wellness store, browser store, and creative investment, okay. I'll read more, collaborate and support us, event, really beautiful color code. And here, for example, we didn't do the brand identity guidelines for them, but I can see already how we can register everything. I did develop some style, but again, to create a ride, to register everything that we have created here. It's amazing. Beautiful, I must say. So that's it I wanted to present. We could go with you into different sizes. For example, as you can see, I predicted different sizes in design instead of coding. I'm actually glad that I can show you something where I don't need to code. I didn't code it, but I designed. So I predict and I presented prototypes. And some portrait. Phone. Yeah, products like that. It's interesting and it's important to see. Indeed, that's the point. When I don't code, I need to show how it's going to look like. So one who will code will have to respect and follow. So yeah, that's all I wanted to present. Really beautiful. I enjoyed this project. Thank you. And let me see. Yeah, guys, Eli merged with you. And this was Karpathos Dream project. Some logo, some brand style, into the website design, responsive, no code. And that's it. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for attention. Yeah, take care.